Welcome back to another video guys. Here I am showing you my outfit of the day. We're going to get this video started. Hope you guys will enjoy. Please stay tuned for more. Here I'm going to be showing you guys a part of the haul that I can't show you because it's actually attached to the lamp. But here is the shade that I found when I found some of the other items. So guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that intro. But I won't be before you long. I just want to show you guys some realistic items that I've picked up over some time. And I try to do these randomly so I can get the stuff out of my closet. So by all means, I'm not bragging or anything. And I do not shop a lot for people who their minds think like that. But some of the things that I'm going to start off with something that I showed y'all in another video I was going to do for the bedroom because it's done now. And then we're going to do an Amazon, a clothing, and one of the gifts for the clothing was free. So in the beginning, I showed you guys the lamp. So that's part of it, not the lamp, but the lamp shade. I did find the lamp shade. So that is my heat you guys here clicking on. So I'm going to have to, hold on a second. Let's just turn it off. Okay, let's just turn it off for now. But anyway, I showed you the lampshade because that was one of the things that I picked that was able to show in the collection. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started, guys. I have my candle that I told you guys that I was going to do. She's done. And all I have to do now, she smells so good. So I mixed peppermint, wood, sage, and what is that other one that I mixed with it? Frankincense. So that's what's in here. It's going to smell super, super good. And I can't wait to burn it. So she's done. And the thing in here, I've got something to show y'all too. So just wanted to show you guys the candle. So let's start with the Amazon, okay? Let's do that first. Let's start with the Amazon. We'll get that taken care of first. But yeah, guys, I just want to show you some stuff. And, you know, I like to show my stuff because you know what? She not breaking no bank. She ain't going hungry or anything. So, yeah. So let's go ahead with the Amazon. And guys, the reason why I got this Amazon buy was because I had a girlfriend of mine sent me like a new insurance company for me to see if I would be interested, and they gave you gift cards, so they gave her more than mine. So I got $10. So I said I'm going to go ahead and use it for something that I really can use, and I had to give it some time because there's not like a whole lot that I need. So the first item I got was these Norwood and candle wicks. I picked up these. These were Amazon. These were $12.99, and you get 50. You get the you get 50 of the metal clips, you get 50 of the wooden crackling wicks, and you get 50 pieces of the warning labels, and you also get 50 of the sticky things that hold the metal thing on there, so when you pour your wax, it doesn't like slip all over the place inside the candle, if you understand what I'm saying. So I got these, and I got me a, let's see here. I've been wanting these for a long time. This is a USB arch. It says a barbecue lighter, but it's used for candles as well. So I got that. And I didn't get a black one, guys. Y'all know me. I love colors that I love. I do like black. Y'all should know that. But I got white. And it comes with the USB cable for it. And I didn't know that. So that was a bonus for me. So I picked up this. So these are the two Amazon finds I got for Amazon. So I'm going to get into the clothing. So this was a free gift. This is a universal thread wool hat. It is absolutely beautiful, y'all. Look at that. I love it. Y'all know I like my hats. I love wearing my hats. Oh, and I did an intro. I was showing y'all my outfit of the day. What y'all got to say? Did y'all like it? Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you all, too, for my new subscribers. I really appreciate you coming along my channel. My simple Natural Black Life channel. So thank you so much. But yeah, this has like a leather like tie design right there. This is so cute. So I got this. This was free. Got $5 email or something if you went on there. They sent me an email just stating like by me being a customer, give them my birthday, that you get a birthday gift, and then for just taking the little survey they were doing, you got a bin item for free. So the day that I went, the bin items was $3, so I got this for free. No, the bin items were $5. So this was part of it, but this I didn't have to pay for that. So I got that. Another time I was at another bin, I got this universal thread baseball cap. It's 100% cotton, and it has like the gold detailing on it. This was $1. I also picked up this shirt. That was the time when I got the hat, and I love this. It's a cream white, and it's by it's by Who What Wear. This was an originally $32.99 shirt, and I got it for $5. And I love the fact that it has like this really fancy tight on the on your wrist. Has the flims on the ends. It's so cute. So I can't wait to wear this. I'm probably gonna wear this when I do the I'm gonna be doing the updated reveal of the family room. So stay tuned for that. But this is the sweater I probably wear with it because it's black and cream. So I got that, and I also picked up these jeans. These were on a quarter day, y'all. Yes, a quarter. These are by Wild Fable. They are the big. Look at that. These are a size 6, and what they are, they have like distress and stuff in the leg. What they are wide legs. Do y'all see that? I can't wait to wear these. I cannot wait. I can't wait to rock these. She gonna rock these. Look at that. A nice little tank top in the summer with some nice sandals. That's gonna be cute. So yeah, I got these for a quarter. So this was, like I said, a lot of things were on different days. They just were in the in the closet, or they were in the they were in the walk-in closet or in the closet. So yeah. The next thing I picked up, so the day that I got the hat, the sweater, I also got the shade. So I showed you guys that. So another time I went to the bins, I picked up this really nice vase. The lady gave it to me for $1 because like it has like a little black, it looked like a marker or something. I probably could wipe it off. But this is absolutely beautiful. I wish it was bigger, but you guys know I love vases. I'm going to put this on that stand over there. I absolutely love this. So and probably in this video I'll throw a clip in of how it looks or whatever. So I got that. I also picked up one time or another this LO glass and BPA free storage container. Y'all know I have a purple one like that I actually got from one of those places. So I have another one, and it's funny because I actually broke one of mine, slipped in the sink by mistake, and now I just have like a top to it. It's not an LO brand, but it's just still a really nice a really nice glass closet closing actual top container. So now I have 2 of these. So that's nice because I can't wait to like find some other ones that match or go with the set. So I got that. And like I said, this was $3. This was $3. The vase was $1. I also picked up this really nice, and this tells the real time, so it's 4 o'clock. I have to get out of here. I got this really nice marble. It's like a creamish marble clock. It has gold on it. And this was $1 on Dollar Day, so I got that. Another item that I picked up was a bottle of Mix Bar Coconut Palm number 8 perfume. This is really, really pretty, y'all. Really pretty. And it smells really good. But this is what the bottle looks like, if you guys can see that. Has a really nice top. So I'm going to be putting this in the bathroom. It's really nice. And it smells really good. Let me see the other next fun find that I got. And guys, this was all in one day, okay? I'm so grateful for this. Do y'all see this laundry basket with the wood handles? This actually came from At Home for $14.99. Y'all, I got this from Goodwill for $4.09. But because a kid was dragging it on the floor, even though I wiped that area off, the lady gave it to me for $3.29, okay? So this is you're gonna see this is gonna be on my washing machine. And it's so funny because I kept looking for something like this from the bins. So I actually got it cheaper from Goodwill than I would have got from the bins, unless it was Dollar Day or $2 Day. So I got that. It's really nice. you know, holds a lot, and it has like the handle. So I got that. And the next thing from the Goodwill, and this is the last and final thing I found, y'all know I have my new machine, right? I'm going to be doing a video on that as well. Look at this glass. I've been looking for one of these. Now, I bought one that you seen in the other video, and it was too heavy, and I didn't like the bulk of it. This is what I was looking for. How come when I walked in that Goodwill, y'all, I found this sitting there, sitting in the glass aisle that I went to go look to see if they have like, I'm still looking for my other white coffee, Nicole Miller coffee cup, so I can put it with the other ones that's inside of the black case. So I actually was looking for that, stumbled across one of these, and I absolutely love it. It's really thin, it's nice, sounds good, no cracks, no nothing. $1.09, and the basket. I walked out of there, guys, paying $4.68. How about that? Yeah, I know, tell me. So guys, this is a responsible, realistic, Amazon and clothing and home stuff haul, because I'm not spending tons and tons of money. I'm not. And I think it's cool, and I'm going to keep bringing these videos so you guys can see over time how I just like replace things, sell things, give things away, and bless others. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Always remember to love yourself so that you better love others, so this world will be a much better place. And don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as well as I enjoyed making it for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now, I'm going to leave you with some fire.